This is the Baby Banter from CIVIVI. Ben Peterson, who you might remember from Knife Banter on Blade HQ's YouTube channel, links in the description, designed the Baby Banter as the little brother to the Wii Knife Co. Banter. It features many of the same excellent and thoughtful design cues as the original, but it fits in smaller pockets, it's legal in more places, and weighs significantly less, and is considerably less expensive. The knife utilizes a finger choil to give you more real estate to grab onto, and make the knife usable even in large hands. The blade is 1.92 inches long and is made of Nitro-V steel. It has a drop point, flat grind, and stonewash finish. The knife is put together with recessed screws, a recessed pocket clip, a large interface with the liner lock, and burgundy scales with a gentle G10 texture. These little touches make the knife incredibly comfortable to use, even if you just like to fidget. If you like the idea of a smaller pocket knife that packs a big punch, don't shy away from the Baby Banter. You can pick yours up at the link in the description. Hey, thanks for watching and staying until the end. If you like this video, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more knife overviews like this. You can also follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for newsletter down below. We'll see you in the next one.